Hello guys, welcome to Momlife. Hope you guys are good. So guys, today I will be making boiled pepper chicken sauce. These are all my ingredients that I will be using to make this mouth-watering sauce. So guys, stay tuned and let me show you the way I will be making this sauce for my dinner. So guys, if you are not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? It's free of charge. Subscribe to Maureenfab's YouTube channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. At any time I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. So like my video as well. So guys, just stay tuned and let me show you how I'll be making this delicious sauce for dinner. mouth-watering ball pepper chicken sauce. So this recipe takes just 30 minutes to make. Very easy recipe, 30 minutes, no more than that. And so guys, don't forget to subscribe to Maureenfabskitchen. Also like and share my video. Thanks for watching. See you next time on my video. Bye.